Luganda, we don't have a king. We have Kabaka. So don't say the king of Uganda. No, we don't have a king. We have Kabaka. If you are referring to the Kabaka of Uganda, you say the Kabaka of Uganda. Even if you are speaking Rulango, even if you're speaking Iteso, even if you're speaking English, we don't say king. King is from other countries like England and other countries. But in Uganda, where the capital city is Mengo, we have Kabaka. Hello, wherever you're watching from, my name is Kabugo Peter. Thank you for watching. I always appreciate whenever I see your comments, I see your reactions, I get the feedback from you people. This is Learn Luganda channel. Whenever I upload a video here, you just know that I'm going to talk about Luganda, Buganda at large. And today, I'm here to answer some of your questions. I get many questions in my inbox. And today we are going to learn how to translate some sentences or words into Luganda from English. And I realize that some people really need that to learn how to get some words from English and then they put them into Luganda. And just to remind you, this channel is sponsored by Curtain Home and Interiors UG. They are found at Namlanda, Ntebe Road. You can reach them. They have many things like duvet, they have bed covers, they have their bed sheets, they have carpets, they have curtains, curtain rods, and many more. You can reach them using their contact, which is scrolling down there, and you talk to them, you get a good thing you need. A few days back, someone sent me a message and wanted me to translate for him these sentences into Luganda. And I was like, let me make a video for you people so that we can learn together and see how we can translate the things. Okay? The first one is, where are you taking us? Where are you taking us? In Luganda we say, otutwala wa. Otutwala wa. It is, where are you taking us? Otutwala wa. If it is one person, like you're saying, where are you taking me? Where are you taking me? In Luganda we say, ontwala wa. Ontwala wa. Where are you taking me? The other one was, otutwala wa. Where are you taking us? Ontwala wa. Where are you taking me? What's wrong? What's wrong? In Luganda we say, buzibuchi. What's wrong? Buzibuchi. Like, find someone having problems or why he's not in good mood, you would like to know what is causing that situation. So you'll be like, what's wrong? Buzibuchi. I will tell you next time, not now. So let's say someone is trying to ask you for something, he would like you to put more light on things. So you'll be like, I'll tell you next time, not now. In Luganda we say, nja kubuulira omulundi omulala sikati. Nja kubuulira omulundi omulala naye sikati. I'll tell you next time, but not now. Nja kubuulira omulundi omulala naye sikati. Another one is, I know we are not going anywhere today. I know today we are not going anywhere. In Luganda we say, nchimanyi leero tetulina gye tugenda. Nchimanyi leero tetulina gye tugenda. I know today we are not going anywhere. Or I know we are not going anywhere today. In Luganda we say, nchimanyi leero tetulina gye tugenda. Don't delay. Don't delay. Let's say you're sending someone somewhere, you'd like to give feedback from somebody, and you need that info or reply instantly. So you'll be like, don't delay. In Luganda we say, tolwawo. Tolwawo. Don't delay. React quickly. Don't delay. Tolwawo. If you delay, it's upon you. If you delay, it's upon you. Bwolwa kiri kugwe oba kiri gyoli. Bwolwa kiri kugwe. Or you can say, bwolwa kiri gyoli. They are all right. They are all correct. What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? Wabachi. Or olina buzibu ki. But the common one is wabachi or obaddechi. Obaddechi. Wabachi. They are all correct. He is asking me. He is asking me. Abuuza nze. Abuuza nze. Or you can say ambuuza. Ambuuza. There is a difference between asking and greeting, but they are all the same in Luganda. Asking is okubuuza. Greeting is okubuuza. So don't confuse the two. If you are greeting someone in Luganda, we say obuuza. I am greeting you. Nkubuuza. I am asking you. Nkubuuza still. So that's how far it is. You were in a noisy place. That's why I was not getting you. You were in a noisy place. That's why I was not getting you. Wabadde mu kifo kireekaana y'ensonga lwaki saakuwulidde. Wabadde mu kifo ekireekaana y'ensonga lwaki saakuwulidde. I didn't know your voice is somehow different. I didn't know your voice is somehow different. Nali simanyi nti eddoboozi lyo lya njawulomu. Nali simanyi nti eddoboozi lyo lya njawulomu. You see, I really I don't want to make long videos because I know it is hard to get data, but at least I make a small video with substance. And I think today that will help you out. If you want to learn these things, you need to rewatch these videos. Don't rewatch once. Rewatch it, and then I will start making videos with questions behind or at the end, whereby after watching the whole content, you find tasks to test you, to check you out whether you have picked something from the video. My name is Peter. Go and check out Kathleen Home and Interiors UG, and please keep on subscribing to this YouTube channel. We need more people here and more people here. Wherever you subscribe, share to other people. They also subscribe, and we be here in a big number, and we learn, and our content moves. My name is Peter. Thank you for watching. Sabasajja Kabaka Awangale. In English we say long live Kabaka. And for your information, as I live in Luganda, we don't have a king. We have Kabaka. So don't say the king of Luganda. No, we don't have a king. We have Kabaka. If you are referring to the Kabaka of Luganda, you say the Kabaka of Luganda. Even if you are speaking Rulango, even if you are speaking Iteso, even if you are speaking English, we don't say king. King is from other countries like England and other countries. But in Luganda, where the capital city is Mengo, we have Kabaka, and that is none other than Ronald Muwenda Mutebi, son of Sekabaka Mutesa Owokubiri. Bera bulungi.